just wanted to go through our BuzzRack range here, which basically is your bike racks specifically made to suit several different variation of cars and vans, etc. So I suppose firstly, if you don't have a tow bar, this is your man here. So you have your BuzzRack Beetle range. They do it in a 1, 2, 3 and I'm even fairly sure to go to 4 bike carrier without the need of a tow bar. So basically it has a couple of latching straps that go around the seam of your boot lid essentially, and they mount nice and snug on. They also have rubber, I suppose, or foam protectors that actually sit up against the boot lid, so they don't damage the car either, and they've quite secure latches there to hold the bike on, so they are a very, very good option there if you don't have the tow bar on the car. And I suppose then to move on from that, to go into something there where you do have a tow ball, I suppose you do get into that heavier duty sort of rack, and it does give you probably that bit more of an option there. And we have a couple of ranges in this side of things as well. So this one here is the BuzzRack Easy. They do it, as you can see, in a 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I suppose the beauty of that one there is you have options such as the tilting feature, so you can actually open your boot lid even when this is on the vehicle. They're securely tied on there, or I suppose mounted on the tow ball. They sit down with a jaw on top of the ball. You tighten that in and then you doubly secure it with basically a latch as well, so it tightens in on it both ways, from the top down and from the side on. So it's super secure, you will not move it. Your bike is 100% safe on it. You have your lighting kit on the Easy model as well, so you're basically 100% secure in terms of lights being seen and stuff from the back, and they'll all fold up nice and neat as well for storage. So they're a super job. Obviously get into the dearer side of things when you go into the tow ball mount, but definitely the quality in them is very, very good. So that's just, I suppose, 2 of the models. Look, we have a massive range of these carriers. There's any amount of them, but that's probably 2 of the most popular ones that we would sell here, and I suppose they're catering for either side of it there regarding what setup you have. So if you're interested in getting a bike rack to throw the bike up to a greenway, bring the bike on holidays, wherever you're going essentially, let that be a road bike, an e-bike, a mountain bike, kids bike, it doesn't matter, they'll fit all bikes. There would be specific ones there for e-bikes as well that might be that bit heavier duty, but we do all of them also. So definitely if you're thinking of bringing the bike away for the next couple of months or into the summer or whenever you're doing it, call into us there, have a chat with us, and we'll get you set up there with something that suits your car and your bike.